Just for Mental Health Awareness Week, what are some tips and tricks that you have when you're dealing with something stressful, or if you've maybe gone internal you need to push through?
Always support, talk to others and help them, for them to help you get through that pain and see the positive.
Surrounding yourself with good people, like my mate here. He's always a good laugh, you know. Just not taking yourself too serious. Enjoy a good laugh every now and then.
Plan things out, you know. I reckon having a good plan for something and managing your time is really good.
When I'm feeling stressed, I like to watch Vine compilations. Also drink water, because when you get stressed you get dehydrated.
I find dumplings are really great comfort foods because they're just a really great combination of everything, and they're really nice to just slurp down. And yeah, just lie in bed all day and watch Vines and eat dumplings. It's really great. It's just a nice way to relax.
I hang out with friends.
I like to go on walks with her and my dog. Sometimes I use the Headspace app. Oh, there's also a Calm one, and it's reads you stories, and it's just really comforting.
Just hiking, you know, I live in a place with lots of nature, so I like to go up there. You know, I do a bit of cycling if I'm feeling a bit stressed out.
If I'm having a hard time, I like to talk to my family and all my friends, just get in touch with them, take a break, find out what they're doing.
So I guess an important thing to do is to reach out to other people around you and to talk to your friends and have a chance to just forgive yourself if you're getting stressed out at yourself for not achieving everything you want to one day. It's very easy to be I had so many things to do today, I didn't get them done, I'm a bad person. But I think you need to be more forgiving with yourself and let yourself off the hook sometimes.
Sharing problems with others so they can help you, it's quite nice.